Too, where I'm not okay if someone else is driving over the bridge. I'm kind of a control freak, I guess. I have to be in control, but it's going to be a nice day out there for them. We do have the marine layer in effect this morning, but we'll see those clouds push back to the coast by about 9 a.m. You can see the clouds over La Jolla, and there's a nice view for you from Mount Woodson. And we're also seeing some fog. Here's a live look from our sky cam out in Ramona, where we've been seeing limited visibility. Right now, we're seeing less than half a mile of visibility in Ramona, and Julian about 1 mile, Palomar Mountain about 1.5 miles. So we'll continue tracking this patchy fog for you. On the coast, it is a little hazy too, and we could see some fog develop there as well. As far as temperatures go, La Jolla is at 69 right now, Carlsbad 70, San Diego 71, El Cajon, good morning to you. Up in Warner Springs, it is 58, Ocotillo Wells and Borrego both waking up in the upper 70s. So we'll continue to see morning fog and clouds throughout the next week, and humidity is really going to pick up tomorrow. Today it won't be too bad for you, but we have a warming trend in the week ahead. High pressure is building. We also have monsoon moisture coming into play. It's going to make conditions pretty unpleasant for the next week. So very hot starting Monday, and for our mountains and our deserts, we have thunderstorm chances on Tuesday and Wednesday. For today, heating up into the upper 70s at the coast. We'll see sunny skies. We'll feel light wind west of the mountains. Tonight we cool down to about 69. We'll keep it in the 70s until Wednesday. That's when we start to feel the 80s at the coast. Still not too bad, but those are more like the temperatures we would hope to see inland right now. And in our inland communities today, heating up to the upper 80s, 90s Monday through Wednesday. And then I'm sorry to tell you, we are forecasting triple digits for the end of next week into next weekend. For our mountains today, upper 80s, deserts 105. But if you have anything you've been wanting to do outside and you're thinking, oh, maybe I'll do it today or maybe I'll put it off till next weekend, I would go ahead and do it today.
Now, right?
Yes,
just
to be safe.
I don't know if anyone is ever excited about triple digits.